All right, this is a little video we put together on a restoration that we did on a 1952 0018 Martin. As you can see, someone finished over the bridge, so they left the bridge on the top of the guitar while they sprayed it with finish. You really don't want to do that, so we're going to remove this bridge, strip the finish off of it. As you can see, the bubbles in the finish from when we heated it up. We want to get this bridge down to the Brazilian and replace the saddle. This here is the guitar prior to us stripping the back and the sides. The color is a little red, to be quite honest, and there's hardly any grain filler in the pores. So we're going to pull this finish back and get it down to bare wood. Also, we're going to thin out the finish on the top because it was oversprayed and it needs to be a little bit thinner. So that's gonna look nice once we get done with it. This is Jake, and he's one of our team members, and he's working on pulling the finish back on this guitar. We used a chemical stripper, so we taped off the binding and anything that would be susceptible to melting if the stripper touched it. And now we're sanding back any of the leftover that the stripper wouldn't get. This is the stain that we came up with. That's going to be our base color. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a wash coat or sealer coat over this. And then once we've done that, we can add our grain filler to fill the pores of the wood. And then once that's done, we will put more lacquer over the top of that and start building our top coats. Right here, I'm sanding back the residual of the grain filler, getting ready for top coats. Using my gray Scotch-Brite. You want to be careful about how much you sand so you don't pull the filler out of the pores in the wood. You need that there. It's really important that you have your pores filled properly. This is after some top coat builds, and this video is taken underneath of a skylight in our warehouse. And you can see a good representation of this color. It's an ambered brown with a teensy weensy bit of red in it. So this is wet sanding. So we're leveling out all the top coats that we've shot and getting rid of any low spots. And here we're buffing away the fine scratches that are left from wet sanding and putting that shine on the finish. The customer actually asked us to rough up the finish a little bit just to make it look less new, so we went ahead and did that after the guitar was assembled. But right now you're looking at freshly shot cured nitro after it's been buffed. This guitar looks beautiful and it's going to age well. Turn off that phone. Yeah, so next we'll be putting on the neck, and we'll have Bob Ryan take this thing for a spin. If you need help with any restoration or finish work, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. JamesTheGuitar.com